Well, it's officially spring. It still feels like winter this week, and it's during days like today that buildings continue to operate their heaters. But one local university is doing whatever it can to use renewable energy to provide that heat. My TV 20's Jorge Avian has the story.
On cold days like today, wood chips such as these are helping to heat buildings at Oakland University. The Energy Resource Center on campus has a wood chip boiler that replaced an old steam system.
It's got a wood silo outside to receive wood chips, not the pellets, but wood chips. And chips come through here on this auger, and they drop down this metering bin. And there's I-beams and sensors automating this boiler, so it's automatically feeding chips in, modulating the heat load.
Most of the wood chips come from the 1,400 acres of the Rochester campus. The idea is to use as much self-produced energy as possible from natural components found at the school. OU will also soon install new versions of this engine generator that is able to recover wasted heat produced by the machine itself. It's similar to the heat that cars and trains produce when operating.
The Central Plant gas turbine will be installed for roughly $10 million. We'll save well over $1 million or almost $2 million per year, and the whole payback will pay for the entire capital cost of the project in around 10 years or so.
OU also has a solar thermal system on one of its buildings that generates heat through tubes.
So it's a solar thermal system. It's solar hot water. In the wintertime, if we didn't have snow cover, we will generate a little bit of hot water for the building heating, but the design is mainly for the summertime, so we have a desiccant dehumidification with the solar hot water regenerating these large desiccant wheels. But you will have some wintertime heating as well.
Across the country, buildings consume about 40% of the nation's energy. In Michigan alone, that's about $12 billion in energy cost every year. For your news head straight to the point, I'm Jorge Avian, TV 20 News 10.